We're making a creamy bacon, pumpkin and sage keto pasta sauce. Let's go. With the availability of a zero-carb keto pasta, you can afford to spend a little bit more carbs on your pasta sauce. And that's exactly what we have here today. We have a rich sauce full of flavors. We've got sage, bacon, pumpkin, walnuts, and it all comes together in delicious heavy cream. Do note that the nutritional information and the ingredients list is in the description box. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Mel. We like to show you clever keto recipes to help you achieve your goals. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, do go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into the recipe now. Today I'm going to be using keto ravioli made with flourless egg white pasta, but you can use any shape. If you want the recipe for the keto pasta, click on the link to the top right of your screen now. Over a medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, then 1/2 cup of diced bacon, and let that saute until it has browning. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts and stir to combine. And now the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of cilantro powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of chopped sage leaves, 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, and stir to combine all of those flavors. Then add 1/3 cup of heavy cream and about 20 grams of spinach leaves, and you can choose how much you want to add here. You can see my sauce is very thick, so I added a few tablespoons of water, and you will need to eyeball how much water you would like to add. Give it one last mix and the sauce is ready. For this recipe, you can either boil your pasta or cook it in the sauce, and I chose to boil mine. And here is the final ensemble. I just added some shaved Parmesan for a pretty photo. Of course, you can see that I paired mine with ravioli, but you can use any pasta shape that you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you get to try it. Stay safe and be well.